Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you a simple homemade DIY slash remedy for strawberry or chicken legs. All we need is just 3 ingredients. So we'll be needing honey, extra virgin olive oil and sugar. So I'll be using 2 tablespoons of sugar. Since I'm not going to make much, just the one I'm going to be using at the moment. It can be preserved though. You can make a lot and keep in the fridge for 2 to 3 days before making a fresh one. Now I'll be adding a tablespoon of honey. Then I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to be mixing everything together now. So I feel it's a bit thick. I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. So I think this consistency is okay. Next, I'm going to be applying the mixture on my legs, just like this. So after application, get a scrub sponge and scrub in a circular motion. This is my scrub sponge. As you can see, it's kind of sharp. Be careful not to injure your skin. Just scrub gently. Repeat this every day, or if you can't do it every day, maybe at least 2 or 3 times a week. So this is me after scrubbing. I washed it off and I'm going to pat dry with a dry towel. Yes, I've been doing this scrub for like 10 days now, and gradually it is fading away. All you need is patience and consistency, because you can't just do it once or twice and expect to see a difference immediately. It takes time and patience and consistency. Let me show you how my leg looks like before. Disclaimer, this is actually not my legs, but this was how it looked like before I started the scrub. So we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find it helpful. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel.